This is the first book of Ninja Dog I'm ever going to read to you. By the way, this is called Ninja Dog. I mean www. ninjadog.com. And today I will be reading Ninja Dog the First. This is Ninja Dog. P.U. He is probably the main character in some of these. And then he has his max power move right here. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's called like Power Pulse. This is aka my dog. He's form changing right now. Did I tell you that Ninja Dog and Chili have different forms? This is Freckles, one of my friend's dogs. And Freckles is pretty awesome. Sick move right here. It's called Swinjin's Wrath. You're going to see that in a lot of books. And this is an awesome jetpack. They fight bad guys as a team. Oops, I forgot. Oh, never mind. They fight bad guys as a team normally, but sometimes Ninja Dog and Chili are just alone. They fight enemies such as Plazer, Mutant T-Rex, Abomasnow, Sound Sorrow, and Bulldog. The end. And cut.